Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay. I'm Jay, and I'm Jay. And today I'm going to show you some of my DIY skills. 2 weeks ago I made a long video. Maybe too long. So now I'll make a short one. Showing you how to make a softbox for less than a $5 with things that you might have already in your house. All you need is a cardboard box. Like that. Or bigger. The bigger the better, to be honest. A bulb with a cable like this. Tracing paper or diffusion gel. And the one thing that solves pretty much every problem on set. Gaffer tape. If you're not familiar with what a softbox is, basically increases the size of a light source and creates softer shadows on your subject. As a rule, the bigger the source, the softer the light. So let's start with a cardboard box. As you can see, I've got white one which is more reflective, and I made a hole on the back of it where I'm going to put the bulb. And then it's going to reflect into these. I'm going to get some diffusion gel. It's going to create these bigger soft light. You can use a shoebox or any other cardboard box you can find. The bigger the better, really. Now I'm going to put this socket through the hole, and then I'm going to lock it with this bit here, like this. It's not rocket science yet, but I'll show you anyway. You got these bloody box. You got this thing. You put these into that hole there, and then give us a second. There. Then you got these bit which goes in there. I'll show you if you guys can see it or not. I can. Once it's tight, this is your box now. I'm going to put the bulb inside of this, and I'm going to put some diffusion, and these will become your softbox. So it's done now. So now you can attach the bulb in here. So, bosh, easy. That should be your softbox with your bulb. So now for the grand finale, I put the diffusion paper with a bit of gaffer tape to hold it in place. It's not the most pretty thing I've done, but for me, all I need is a soft light from this. So it concentrates the light in a source which is bigger than the bulb. And there you go. I'm just going to switch off my main light so I can show you the full effect of this. So now I'm in the dark, you can't see me, but I've got my softbox. I'm going to turn it on. Cha-cha! So there you go. That's my softbox. It's not bad at all, is it? It's actually quite nice. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here. And if you like what you just seen, feel free to share it. As Ernie says, I'll be back in 2 weeks. Take it easy, guys. Have a nice one. Bye.